Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to talk to you about my dadi, or as all of her grandchildren call her, Ido. She passed away 9 years ago, but I've been thinking so much about her legacy and her impact in my life as of late. And today I'm going to honor her by making one of the recipes that I hope that she would like, because I never really got to cook for her. And I'm going to be using Falak Extreme Basmati rice. This is also known as Purana Chawal. It is one of Pakistan's oldest Basmati rice brand. And Purana Chawal meaning aged to perfection, just like my Ido. My idol was the most meticulous person. Everything had a place and everything was in its place. And I think that's something that I've learned the most from her. My grandmother loved shrimp and she loved rice. My father's family migrated from Bangladesh to Pakistan in 1971 during the war. When they moved to Pakistan, they moved with their 3 children and nothing but a few belongings and had absolutely zero knowledge of Urdu. Ido kept herself very busy, but not very busy in the kitchen. However, when any of her grandchildren asked her to make something, she spent the entire day meticulously putting it together. Similar to what I've done today with this biryani. And it came out so beautiful. The long, fluffy grained rice. It was so aromatic. There is a reason why my family loves using Falak Basmati rice. It's because it turns out perfect. I think Ido would be proud of me. I miss her. I love her. This one's for her. Always.